Shaitaan continues its triumphant journey at the box office, solidifying its status as a super hit. Despite entering its third week, the film shows no signs of slowing down, as evidenced by its remarkable performance on Saturday. Following Thursday's impressive collections of Rs 2.66 crores, the film experienced further growth on Friday, reaching Rs 2.85 crores. This exceptional achievement is even more commendable considering the absence of any new releases or promotional offers like BOGO, buy one, get one. Despite competing against other films like Madgown Express and Swatantriya Veer Savarkar, as well as animated hit Kung Fu Panda 4 and Yoda, Shaitaan emerges as the top choice for audiences. With cumulative collections of 119.53 crores after 15 days, the film is expected to garner an additional Rs 10 crores over the weekend. Moreover, with a partial holiday for Holi on Monday, increased footfall is anticipated, further boosting its earnings. If Shaitaan can maintain its stronghold against upcoming releases like Crew and sustain its momentum until Bari Mian Chote Mian on Eid, it has the potential to achieve blockbuster status. The latest box office report for Shaitaan showcases remarkable growth, with the film nearing the 125 crores milestone. This surge mirrors last weekend's success, emphasizing the steady demand for the supernatural thriller. On Saturday alone, the film raked in an impressive Rs 5 crores, marking a significant jump from Friday's earnings of Rs 2.85 crores. Despite facing competition from multiple new releases, both from Bollywood and Hollywood, Shaitaan continues to perform exceptionally well across all types of cinemas, from single screens to multiplexes. Although the film's screenings have decreased since its opening day, audience turnout remains robust, leading to near-capacity occupancy in many theaters. Several shows on Saturday were either houseful or close to it, indicating sustained interest in the film. With its current collection standing at 124.50 crores, Shaitaan has exceeded expectations, especially considering its controlled budget. Led by Ajay Devgan and R. Madhavan, the film's success is further bolstered by its efficient production, primarily shot in a bungalow, resulting in limited expenses. The theatrical revenue, both domestically and internationally, has been promising, supplemented by additional earnings from satellite rights, OTT platforms, and music sales. All collections are sourced from production and distribution channels.